Might have to do it more than once.
Yeah, no, it'll be good.
Let me know when you're ready.
Is this?
This is our new build.
I love it. Let's make it magical.
They may not be 100% on board with it.
You know, it's going to be a challenge.
It's going to be a lot of work. Huh. That,
Pretty nice.
yeah, well, I don't know how it stayed in there from here to Texas, but it did.
Should almost go in the dumpster.
That?
Yeah.
Have at her, my friend. Easy on it, There you go. It's junk. Day one in the teardown, so here we go.
Yo, speaking business, better mind your own. Talking loud, then rewind your tone. Futuristic been setting trends, you late, you probably got a house phone. Nerd rap with the money track, put the whole city on my back. Take a lot of cats around the world, if you act up, you ain't coming back. Yo, you don't want no beef with Feeki. Spit it, I'm spraying graffiti. Pockets say stay on Rikishi. Everyone love me like Kiki. Freebies, I never gave out no CDs. He be flowing since he was a preteen. Easy, now everybody come see me. I get more paper than TV, greedy. Jumping through the lanes, watch me double dutch. Spend $1 million in a year so I could double up. Ain't no ceilings in my building cause we coming up. Double cup, you don't feel us, get hit with a uppercut. I ain't got no time at all.
Today was day one in the teardown. The steps that are coming are the more exciting portions. You get to start to see the build. You get to start to see the boat come to life.
Well, since he decided to want to start diving into this today, we kind of found some interesting things in there. Just odds and end things that you wouldn't think you'd see in a boat, but you never know when people start putting things in there.
As we go on through this step by step, day by day, piece by piece, you're going to just see this boat go from a thing that should have went to the dumpster to showroom finish, and that's the part that gets exciting.
Stay tuned for the next episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell to witness the madness we call speed, money, and no brakes.
Who showed up today? Yes.